Beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on today's video I want to teach you guys how to properly use this body lotion here to get the best effective brightening of the skin. A lot of you have been complaining that this body lotion is making you dark. The only reason that this body lotion is going to darken your skin is if you were bleaching your skin before. If you are bleaching your skin before, this body lotion is going to repair your skin and take your skin back to its natural state. This is a moisturizing body lotion, and this body lotion alone cannot brighten your skin. So you need to incorporate other active ingredients with this body lotion in order to get the most effective effect of this lotion. This is why I have come up with the routine, because this is the lotion I'm currently using, and this is my skincare routine. So I've come up with this routine to share with you guys so that you can get the knowledge, you can be able to know how to properly use your body lotion. Skincare is more than just a lotion. You need to incorporate other actives in order for you to get the most effective of this body lotion. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in watching, kindly stick to this video to the end. Please subscribe. I love you. Now let's get into the video. So the first question you need to ask yourself is, what are you using as your first cleanse? Are you using a brightening bar soap, a brightening body wash, or just any bar soap that doesn't contain any active ingredients? For the bar soap that I use is the Ashanti papaya and honey soap. I am going to insert a picture of this soap here on the screen, and I've also made a review of this soap on my previous video. So if you have not watched that video, go back and watch that video so that you can get more information about this soap. Soap contains papaya extract, and papaya extract is an exfoliating properties that exfoliate the skin. It also helps with hyperpigmentation. It helps with hyperpigmentation, and it also contains honey. Honey is good for natural maintenance of the skin. Honey helps to brighten the skin. So this is the soap I made use of. The next thing that you need to incorporate is an exfoliant. Now let's look at the meaning of exfoliant or exfoliation. Let's look at exfoliation and what it does to the skin. Exfoliation is the process of removing dead skin cells from the surface of the skin. This helps to keep your skin smooth, radiant, and healthy by unclogging pores. It also allows your skincare products to deeply penetrate into the skin. So when you exfoliate your skin, it opens up your pores. Your pores are open. Your product can easily penetrate into the skin. And once your product penetrates into the skin, it is going to be more effective. That is why exfoliation is very good. There are two types of exfoliation, which is chemical exfoliation and physical exfoliation. Chemical exfoliation is the process of using AHAs like glycolic acid or lactic acid, or BHAs like salicylic acid, to dissolve the bond between dead skin cells. While physical exfoliation is the process of using tools like brushes, sponge, scrubs to manually remove dead skin cells from the skin. Exfoliation can improve skin texture, even out the skin, and reduce the appearance of blemishes and fine lines. So the exfoliant that I made use of is a physical scrub, and it is the alpha arbutin sugar scrub. Alpha arbutin is a brightening ingredient that brightens the skin and reduces hyperpigmentation. So if you are on a budget and you don't have money to splurge on other products like the chemical exfoliants, then you can as well get this alpha arbutin sugar scrub. But if you have money to splurge on products, I will advise you to go for this alpha renewal body lotion, because this body lotion is very, very effective and it is going to exfoliate your skin. So your exfoliants should be used 3 times a week. If you want to make use of this product, make sure you are using it 3 times a week. Do not use this product more than 3 times a week, because it is going to be over exfoliating your skin. And once you over exfoliate your skin, it is going to damage your skin, and it is also going to break your skin. It's going to break your skin barrier, and you don't want that. So make sure you use this product 3 times in a week. Ever since I started making use of this glove, my skin has transformed, like for real. If you're the type of person that have this dry, hard skin, your skin is so dry, your skin is so hard, make sure to go and buy this glove, because this glove is very, very good. It will exfoliate your skin and it's going to soften your skin. Ever since I started making use of this glove as a beating sponge, I have really seen an improvement on my skin. And the best part of this glove is that it is affordable. I got mine for as low as 700. Depending on your location, you can as well get it 700 or maybe 1000 naira. This is the price range of this glove. So if you want a bright, glowy skin, make sure to add this glove into your skincare routine and you're going to see a very huge transformation. If you're using a physical scrub or chemical scrubs, please do not use it during the day because it is going to be sensitive to the sun. It is meant to be used during the night where there is no sun or any sun sensitivity. This is why it is good for you to use your exfoliant during the night. But if you know that you are not going under the sun, you are always at home and you are in a cool place, in a cool conducive environment, then you can use your exfoliants during the day. But if you know that you are going under the sun every day, please make sure you use your exfoliant during the night. Next thing you need to add in order to get the effectiveness of this body lotion is the body oil. Body oil helps to seal in moisture and prevent water loss from the skin. So the body oil that I made use of while I was using this product is this Vaseline Intensive Care body oil. This body oil is so moisturizing, it hydrates the skin throughout the day. So there are some body oil that when you use it, within some few hours of usage, it has dried up on your skin and then your skin will start feeling so dry as if you did not apply any body oil. But this Vaseline Intensive Care body oil moisturizes the skin throughout the day, like 24 hours moisture. This is what this body oil is going to do to your skin. Now if you don't have money to get this body oil because it is quite pricey, I'm going to recommend some other body oil on the screen that is quite affordable that you can use. It's going to brighten and moisturize your skin. The last thing you need to add in order to get the best effectiveness of this body lotion is a sunscreen. Yes, sunscreen. So I know a lot of you guys don't know that there are actually sunscreen that you can use on your body. The one that I'm currently using is the Hatamogi sunscreen. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Please correct me in the comment section. So this is the sunscreen that I am using on my body. I use this sunscreen on your face and your body, but me, I prefer using it on my body because it stings my eye when I apply it on my face. So I use it on the part of my body that is going to be exposed to the sun, like my hand and my legs. These are part of my body that can be exposed to the sun. This is where I apply this sunscreen. So make sure to use your sunscreen all the time. Make sure to get other sunscreen that you can apply on your body, that you can apply on the areas of your body that is going to be visible to the sun, and then you are going to see how this body lotion is going to brighten and glow your skin to the extent that once you are going out, people will start admiring your skin. People will start complimenting you that you are very beautiful, your skin is so bright, your skin is so clear, what are you using for your skin? All these compliments, this is what you are going to get when you properly use this body lotion the right way, just like I have explained on this video. So beautiful people, we've come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you'll be notified each time I post a very helpful tips like this. And I will see you, my beautiful people, on my next video. Bye guys.